What's up? What is going on with you guys? Today we have a new video, new vlog or POV video. I've practiced a lot on doing like wheelies or power wheelies, so I'm getting pretty good. So this video is going to be about power wheelies, or me doing power wheelies. Pant-Olof. Där har vi grabben. Wanna see a wheelie? Lady's covering her ears. It's not that loud. I wait for the car to drive more far away, so I can do my wheelie or power wheelie. Okay, now it's fuck. Bro, why are the people driving so slow? In between those two cars. That did not work out. Give me a second try. Shit. Not going that well today. We have a firefighter car in front of us. We better chill. Or should we? I don't know. I want a wheelie. Fuck. Let's go here. nice wheelie road. It's a bit windy today, so it's pushing me to the sides all the time. Fucking shit. Nice wheelie spot in here to the right. Like, there's like no cars. It's not a closed road, but there is no cars here, so you can do practically whatever you want. The spot is bit more far forward that way. Here it is. I hate the wind, guys. Or maybe I should let out more air from the rear tire, so I'm more stable, or the bike on the back wheel. But I also like to very fast in the curves, so it's good to have the correct tire pressure, if you know what I mean. Wrists are hurting. My wrist hurts. I don't know who that was. Let's do a nice wheelie up here. Damn guys, I love doing wheelies. It's such a nice feeling. I mean, it's nice to lay in the curves, the knee down or elbow down, Not like I did a elbow down. I did a knee down. I can do it, but you feel me? It's nice, but doing wheelies is something else. It's not that fast on this bike. I have to drive pretty slowly to get it up, but okay, we weren't that high right now. We are pretty low. Uphill wheelie. Damn guys, this wheelie was high as hell. Let's try another one. Pretty high, but not as fast, I think. The roads are wet up here. It's slightly different climate in here. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and see you in the next one.